If AutoCAD keeps showing the error aborting message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This issue is usually caused by corrupted drawing data, problematic objects inside the file, or unstable AutoCAD settings. And the good news is that you can often fix it without starting over from scratch. We'll go through the safest recovery methods first, then move into deeper cleanup and repair steps so you can get your drawing working again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials. Let's get started. First, restart AutoCAD and also restart your computer. This might sound simple, but sometimes temporary glitches, memory issues, or a stuck process can trigger the error. After restarting, open AutoCAD again and try the drawing one more time to see if the issue is gone. If the file still gives you trouble, use the recover command. Type recover into the command line and select the problematic drawing. AutoCAD will try to repair the file while opening it. If it finds issues, let it complete the recovery process and then check whether the drawing opens properly. Next, run audit. Type audit and press enter, then choose yes when AutoCAD asks if you want to fix detected errors. This step is important because it checks the drawing database for problems and attempts to correct them automatically. If there are multiple errors, let AutoCAD repair everything it can before moving on. After that, run PURGE to remove unused and possibly corrupt data from the file. Type PURGE and remove unnecessary items. Make sure you also purge Regapps because those registration applications can build up over time and sometimes cause file instability. Cleaning out unused data can make a big difference when a drawing is acting unpredictable. Now save the file using saveas and give it a new DWG name. This creates a fresh copy of the drawing and can help eliminate hidden file issues that may be tied to the original version. Saving as a new file is a simple but very effective way to preserve your work while reducing the chance of the error returning. If the problem continues, use WBLOCK to export the entire drawing into a brand new file. WBLOCK is especially useful when the original file has deeper corruption. Select the objects or the entire drawing and write them out to a new DWG. In many cases, this removes damaged internal data and gives you a cleaner version of the project. Another useful method is to insert the problematic drawing into a completely blank file using insert. Open a new drawing, then use the insert command to bring in the damaged file as a block. Sometimes moving the content into a fresh environment clears out the issue and lets you continue working normally. You should also check for proxy objects. Proxy objects come from custom applications or unsupported features, and if they are no longer needed, they can be removed or cleaned up. If your drawing was created in another software environment or uses specialized plugins, proxy objects may be one of the reasons AutoCAD is failing. Next, turn off hardware acceleration. Go into AutoCAD's graphics settings and disable hardware acceleration. On some systems, graphics driver conflicts can cause instability, visual glitches, or unexpected errors like error aborting. After turning it off, restart AutoCAD and test the file again. If the issue still isn't fixed, reset AutoCAD settings back to default. Over time, custom settings, corrupted profiles, or broken preferences can cause serious problems. Resetting the program gives you a clean starting point and can remove hidden configuration issues that are triggering the error. Finally, make sure AutoCAD is fully updated to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes, stability improvements, and compatibility patches that can solve recurring file issues. If you are running an older release, installing the newest update may be the easiest long-term fix. And here's the most important tip to remember. This error is often caused by a corrupted drawing file, so moving the content into a new file frequently solves the problem. If one method doesn't work, keep going through the list because the combination of recovery, auditing, purging, and moving the drawing into a clean file usually gets the job done. If this tutorial helped you fix the AutoCAD error aborting issue, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful CAD tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.